Today we're making pizza, just a small pizza. I need this bowl for my next project. I'm just going to transfer it over to this bowl for that process. Alright, I woke the starter dough up this morning and fed it a little bit, put it on top of the refrigerator. Not really that active yet. But I want to feed it some more, so I'm going to add it to my pizza and then feed it again. Let's go ahead and get that incorporated first. So basically the flour that was in there, regular bread flour, it was auto-leased for about 2 hours. And it's feeling really good. So now we're basically adding the starter. I think we're going to use our hands at this point. So basically we're just kneading it, getting all that weak starter discard being mixed in with the flour. Let it rest for about another hour, and then we'll knead it again. For our pizza, this is the second time I'm kneading it. It's getting puffy. Even my starter, my sourdough starter was kind of weak. It's still responding and getting spongy. We're going to let that sit another hour. Alright, here's the pizza dough. Looking really good. Except it's too big. Even as small as I was trying to make it. Put half of it away for next time. Just trying to make this a little bit bigger here. Trying to roll this out as thin as I can. Alright. Use some salsa. That's my pizza sauce. Oh, that smells good. Now we just got some basic pepperoni here. And our cheese. And we're going to let that rest for about 15 minutes. This is our pizza going in the oven. I set the temperature to 450. Been about 20 minutes. Alright, let's try the pizza. Simple. It's not pizza, real pizza. It's not frozen pizza. And that salsa is really interesting. Good. I need a pizza stone.
You know that no pizza stone.
Thanks for watching. Peace out.